Hi girls, just got home from work and this was waiting for me. Yay! It's from my dear friend Ali. Sorry for all the shaking and noise, but I'm one-handed. Ali and Steve have been a great support with all my problems and stuff I've been going through. So let's see what she sent me. Ooh. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I need to get a tripod. This is so well wrapped. Oh, Ali, some pink ribbon. Oh, lovely embellish. Oh, a crown, love it. And some bling and buttons. Oh, this will be great for my baby. Oh, baby, she's 22 months now. Oh, and some flowers, love them. Let's see. Wow, peonies. 2.5 inches. Oh, they're great. Thank you, Ali. And some more buttons. Oh no, they're foam. Oh, Gaida's gonna love them. Thank you, Ali. And she knows pink and purple are my favourite colours. Oh, look! All the ribbon and fibres. Oh, Ali. Look. Oh, look at that one. Can you see it? Some pearls. Love them, love them, love them. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that one. Oh, Ali, I love it. Thank you so much. Let's see. And magnetic. Put me anywhere you want. Oh, look. No, Ali. Oh, I love it. Thank you. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just a second. I'm gonna get a chair. Oh, that's better. You've wrapped it all so well. Let me see. Just a second. What if I do it? No, it doesn't work like that. Let's see. Just a second, goes. Grab my scissors. Oh wow! This will be great for my girls' album. Oh, there's a teddy bear and a rocking horse and a dummy. Oh look, a shoe. Oh, Allie, thank you so much. Oh, I know what that must be. I saw it on a video. Oh, Allie. This is going to be great because my babies are starting nursery in September. Oh, look. And the butterfly. And the flowers. Oh, Allie, you did a great job. And some tags. Oh, love it. Look at the Porter Punch. I think it's a Martha Stewart. Need to get that one. And the frame. Oh, look, it's walkable. Oh, I love it, Allie. It's all embossed. Love it. Oh, look. This is great, Allie. Thank you so, so much. Where'd you get that stamp from? Did you make it for yourself? Can you see it? Love it. Oh, I have to hurry up. Oh, Allie. Oh, I love them. Oh, flip comes. You see it? Yay. Oh, Allie. You spoiled me. Did you make them? Hey, did you make them? These are great. Oh, look. Oh, you've been playing with your Yeti, haven't you? Oh, this is great, Allie. Oh, I love it. The cameos. Oh, look. I'm sorry, I have to hurry up. I've only got 3 more minutes. Oh, Allie, love them. Love everything. Oh, Allie. Okay, that's gonna love it. Thank you so much. Allie, you jam-packed this box. stick pins and a pin cushion. Did you make it? Oh, so talented, girl. Wow. Oh, Ali. Oh, I love it. Oh, look. It's got a charm and everything. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, this must be a card. Open first. Oh, I didn't see it. Sorry. Oh, look at this card. Can you see it? Isn't it beautiful? Just a second, girls, and I'll read it. Oh, Ali, thank you so much. Love it. Oh, I can hold to that. Sorry guys, I have to cut it now. I'll do another part. See ya, bye.